Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. Today I'm gonna show how to download and install DirectX in Windows 10. Go to the start menu and select your favorite web browser. In this case I select Google Chrome. Go to google.com and search for DirectX download web runtime. Installer and hit enter. Select the first option, Microsoft.com, one click, and scroll down and verify your download end user runtime web installer. Go to your download directory, select show in folder, close this window and right click and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control, click on yes and click on accept the agreement, the first option, one click on next. I don't like the pink bar. I unmark this option and click on next and wait a moment for your installation. And click on finish. To apply the change, restart your computer, go to the start menu, select the power off button and click on restart. Login in your desktop. And your problem has been fixed. You can try run any video game or program to work properly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.